To service the user interface board, you must first remove the front frame. Start by removing the screw located at the bottom center of the frame under the drip tray. Starting at the bottom left corner, pull straight out on the frame and work your way across the bottom and up the sides and across the top to remove the frame. With the frame removed, you can turn it around and remove the Molex plugs from the user interface board. To remove the dispenser assembly, start by pushing out the water line. Then remove these two screws. The assembly can then be pulled out slightly and turned around. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver and unlock this tab to disconnect the wiring. The dispenser assembly can then be removed. This is the harness for the dispenser heater. If the heater needs to be replaced, order the part number shown. This kit will wrap around the opening for the ice door.